you the wine me need. Oh. Show you the wine nobody say. Man, I come on in nobody say.
Oh, baby, pancake. Tell us how your heart. I want come rent my space. Tell us how your skirt. I want come take my place. Every day and night, make I just the cut base. Oh, na. So the feeling is fine. There's nowhere to run, there's nowhere to hide. The wheels is a
Hello dear YouTube friends, it's Nora the Boss. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'll be giving you latest updates concerning the University of Calabar, Unical. I'm sure that you have already seen other updates in my short intro. Omo, life here is crazy, but we have to survive. This is 8 a.m. in the morning. Classes haven't fully started. We are only seeing updated timetables and some online classes via Zoom. So, as you know, per serious students, I came out to read this morning. I'll be going through my books, and after that, then we will go to see the new Faculty of Law building. It's going to be fun, so stay tuned until the end of this video. I was done with my early morning study sessions, but other activities of the day came up. So I had to visit the new Faculty of Law building later in the day. I believe that you guys should be happy. Like this building now, what is the positive effect? Like, does it give law school a new name?
Law school in Unical.
Yeah, in Unical.
It's a new building and new perspective for the schooling. We just moved.
My name is Spacious.
Okay.
I'm a student of the University of Calabar Faculty of Law.
Okay. What level?
200.
Okay. So what do you love about your new building?
This space. I'm so happy about this new building because of the space. When we're at the library, we would have to sometimes forgo our classes because we are writing exams.
Yeah.
You get. So, but now we can perform, we can do our meetings, we can have our classes anytime and anytime we want because we have a building. Offices are discharged to the right lecturers. No lecturer is sharing an office anymore. There's space, there are trees all around that provide us with air, refreshing air. No one is hanging around the windows so that can hear the lecturers if they come late. There's space and seat for everybody.
Okay. So what about part of those people that are talking about the distance?
Okay, what I would like to say about the distance is, I won't deny the fact that it's true. The distance is actually something that we really need to look at because it's really far. The place is fine, it's good, no doubt, but like the distance is our problem. The only bus that will come to this place is hostel buses. They are different from library buses. Hostel buses are hard to get than library buses. So we have to wait for over 30-40 minutes to get, because the bus won't move until it's full. So you have to wait over 30-40 minutes to get people going to the hostel and to get your colleagues that are coming here, and then before then you'll be late for your lecture before you reach here. So that's just
the only thing, but the place is actually okay.
But the place is okay, it's beautiful. I love the space. I love the refreshing air we have to breathe while we are having class. I love the fan. You know, the installed fan for us. There's always light, and there are sockets where you can even charge your phone. You can take a switch from the lecture and go and charge your phone, in case of those people that are staying in the hostel that sometimes they have to suffer like light issue, like you get light out.
So what would you say to aspirants that want to come into the faculty of law?
They should come. We would welcome them, but one thing is that they should stay and be serious. They shouldn't just come because this building, they have a new building, it's fine, it's spacious, it's good, and everybody here is friendly. They should come because this is what they want to do. This is what that's the problem we are facing now. A lot of people that are like that, they didn't actually want to do this, but based on the fact that they like white and black, let them just when you're here, you're already here. So why not sit down, bend your head down, and read and pass and become that thing? Because it's all beneficial to you. It's not to me. It's not to my parents. If they call barrister, they're not calling my parents barrister. They're calling you. So just sit down and learn. No matter how you get here, no matter what, the fact is, finish it. You're already here. Just do it. Finish it, and avoid distractions too, because they will definitely come from every angle. So, and never forget God. Put God first, please. I beg. Put God first. Everything you should do should be out of the will of God. So that's my advice.
Thank you, Precious.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just like you. You're just like me. Let's take it slow. No need for
These magnificent buildings, the first slide and this one, are new structures in Unical. They both replace the former Pav 1 and Pav 2. If you graduated from Unical last year, just know that school has changed. Yes, we have comfortable classrooms for both lecture and exams. As a student, I am happy about this new development. Our VC is working.
it don't matter anyway. Don't tell me what to
So this brings us to the end of this vlog. What do you guys think about the new structures in Unical? Both the new faculty of law building and this new exam and lecture halls. What do you think about it? I know that my very good friend Miss Precious has done justice. She told you everything you need to know about the new faculty of law building. And you can see for yourself how our new lecture halls looks like. It's amazing. So please leave a comment what you think about it. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and above all, please share the video. Please guys, share this video. Remember that I love you and there is nothing you can do about it. Bye, and until my next video.
Don't tell me what to say.